Okay, this is egg salad. The camera I had for the original video sucked, so hard-boiled eggs, get about 10 of them. The way I do them, these two are the only ones that gave me trouble, so follow that if you want. So we're gonna cut it in half, long ways. Cut about 4 pieces or so. Scoop that up, throw it in the bowl. That one's already cut in half. Really just trying to get little bite-sized chunks. They're gonna break up when you mix it anyway. Alright, once that's all done, rinse your knife off in the sink. Dry it with a towel. And we're going to take some celery, rinse it off real good, get the dirt built up into that, and rinse this one again. Get it as clean as you want it. I never really care. Cut the ends off. Cut the tips off here. Toss those. And you want to cut down the middle, long ways, on all of them. About 3 decent sized stalks. Be careful if you have a really sharp knife too. Oh, just poke myself. Take those. These end pieces too, you can cut those down a little if you want. Put them closer to like a mince. After this, done with the knife, so we can get rid of that. So now, salt and pepper, however much you want, doesn't matter. Some parsley. Let's take the lid off of this. About a tablespoon or so. I never measure. About 4 or 5 tablespoons of Dijon or brown mustard would work better. A couple dabs of hot sauce. And some mayo. About a half cup or so. Might need more. We'll do 3/4. Mix that up. Perfect. And that's it.